Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to allow apps to access contacts on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to allow your apps to access your contacts, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open your phone's settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps. Here's that, tap on it. In apps, you just have to select the app which you want to grant access to your contacts. As I'm going to select WhatsApp, so just tap on it, and here you can see his contacts option. You just have to tap on it. In contacts, you can see there are three options, which is none, limited access, and full access. If you select none, so you have disabled the contact access to your app, and if you select limited access, so you just have to select contacts to get access to WhatsApp. But if you want to get full access to your apps, you just have to select full access, and now you can see I have successfully allowed my app to access contacts on my iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.